Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I'm going to do question number 4 from the August 2024 Algebra 2 exam. The question basically says, which equation is true for all real values of x? And all this really means, because this is important, it's saying that no matter what x value you put in, the equation is always going to be true. So no matter what real value of x you choose, it could be 1.5, it could be 22, it could be negative 23.4, but any real value that you put in here, this is going to give you a true statement. So one of the things you could do is you could just choose a number for x, and then store it, and then go through and see which one of these answer choices gives you a true statement. That's one way to do it. The other way to do it is you can take these equations and you can split them and make them into two functions. And again, look at the table and see which ones give you the same table. So that's what I decided to do for this. So let me go grab the calculator. I've already entered them, or at least some of them. So what I'm going to do, let me bring this back up. This is number 4. All right, so what I did was I just went in and I took the first equation. Let's see, where is it? That's x4 to the x power. And notice that x4 to the x power is in every answer choice. I need y'all to see that. But it's in every answer choice. But I only need to enter it once, and then I can use it multiple times to compare each answer choice. So let me go back. So what I did was I grabbed the original equation, and for F2, I did the right-hand side of the equation. I made that into a function. And then I did Control T, Control 6, and here is the table. This is the table for F1, x to the fourth plus x, and then this one, x plus 1 times x to the third. Yeah, all of this stuff down here. Okay, now here is the point though. No matter what value of x I put into these functions, they always give me the same output. So they're always going to be true statements because every value that I choose, it doesn't matter. It gives me the same outputs. So that means that no matter what value of x I choose, the equation is going to be true. That's our answer. That's basically all you needed to do. Now, what I wanted to show you is if you look at the next one, it has x plus 1 times x to the third plus x. And then, of course, we have x fourth plus x on this side. So what I did is I went and I checked that one. So here are the two graphs. So if I go tab, here is what I entered for F3. And of course, since I've already entered this, I also use this one as well. But again, the key is I looked at the table, and if you look at these, they don't match. When I have 1, this one has an output of 4. This one has an output of 2. When I use 4, or when I use 3, this one has an output of 120. This one has an output of 84. They don't match. So that means that these two things set equal to each other, it won't be a true statement. And if you were to do the other ones, I only did the first two because the answer is number 1. But if you did number 3 and number 4, you would see the same thing. They don't always equal the same number. The output tables are not the same. This is the only one that has the same output table no matter what you look at. So no matter what input you look at, the output tables for the left-hand side of the equation and the right-hand side of the equations are always equal, which means they're always going to be true. And that's the answer, and that's as easy as I can make it. Just graph these guys, compare their tables, see which ones actually are always equal. That means they're always going to be true. All right, I'm going to stop and post.